we're going to talk about TikTok Tako. So as you can see under my system notifications, you can see the word TikTok Tako. So here, as you can see, you can actually talk to TikTok Tako, which is basically like ChatGPT. So this is only an AI text base. So from here, you can also already see some text that's already recommended for you. You can even ask TikTok Tako to write something like a poem about love. You can even write a resume. You can also do a daily tarot. Can I find true love? Let's see. It's actually generated really fast. So let's see. Let's end this and creator tips. So from here, you can actually ask TikTok to actually, get some tips about how to increase your account traffic. It will generate the answers for you. Let's have a look. So from here it says you've been doing great with an average play count of 458, which is really bad actually. So we're gonna end this and let's see travel ideas. So from here we'll say recommend restaurants or cafes in Paris. I'm nowhere near Paris, by the way. So anyway, so from here you can also we will also recommend some videos, some recommended travel ideas. So what if I actually want to search a specific user? Say my name. Let's have a look. So from here it will actually generate and probably gonna give the creator's account. And from here it will say obviously I've got 21,000 followers, which is correct. What kind of music does Gentleman Zana create? Let's see if it's correct. Yeah, that's correct. So that's my video there. So if you have this feature or not, let me know. It's a great feature. Let's have a look. One more idea. If I say hello or hi, let's see. There you go. I'm talking to TikTok Taco. What's your favorite TikTok trend? Here we go. And there you go. So you can also obviously talk here. Let's see. How are you today? How's your day? So anyway, that's actually incorrect. So anyway, so here we go. You have what are your favorite hobbies? So there you go. And there you have it. Let me know if you have this feature or not.